guys, punta na tayo sa reception. Kami ni Marijon. Dona, Beltran.
Lutmin Fredo Quijano, together with and now, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to our lovely.
Any longer, come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, the lovely parents of the bride, we have Madam Elizabeth Macarae, represented by Sir Eduardo. Palakpakan naman ho natin.
Shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer. Come on, shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, our one of principal sponsors, we have the Honorable Board Member in the 3rd District, we have the Honorable Vice Veterinarian. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, we have, and of course, the stage is yours. We have Dino Rachi de Veras together with Nina Janet de Veras. Turn, we have Barangay Captain Brandy Junio together with Madam Jean Junio. And turn, we have Barangay Captain and also Barangay Captain Romeo Macaradon together with Nina Ro. And your turn, we have Nino Alberto Amanda together with Nina Lisa Maxino. And also we have Gagawan Daniel Junio together with Sisha Junio. And Michael Opilancia together with Nina Raquel Opilancia. The stage is yours. We have Ninong Joel Ilro together with Ninang Perlita Mangande. And also we have Ninong Jerome De Vera together with Nina Rachel Natano. And also we have Ronnie Rigor together with Mary Lo Rigor. And also we have Renate Lanzan together with Nina Consuelo Gascon. It's your turn. We have Henry Eugenio together with Nina Elvina Eugenio. And also let's welcome we have Nino Ronnie Macaraag together with Nina Mary Jane Macaraag. And also we have Nino Mervin and Nina Andaline Perez. And also we have Nino David Junio together with Yolanda Takuma. And also with us we have Edwin Reyes together with Nina Mary Reyes. And also we have Nino Manny Polatao together with Nina Gloria Manhood. And also we have Romeo Garcia and Nina Merlina de los Santos. And also we have Sembriana de Guzman and Nina Lorna de Guzman. We have also Raymond from Sabado together with Lanaine Sabado. And also we have Dennis Cass together with Vilma Garon. And also we have Geoffrey Pangtuon together with Nolinine Matres. And also we have Alfredo and Mrs. Evangeline Ihano. And also we have Crispine Gabriel together with Nina Mila Macaraeg. And also we have Joey Ursula together with Nina Mashi Macaraeg. And also we have Agaton Manuel together with Mrs. Marsan Riego. And also we have Barangay Captain Manuel and together with Capitano Josefina Ragos. And we have Ninong Samuel Almasan together with Juliana Ayub. So ladies and gentlemen, that's our principal sponsors. Let us give big round of applause. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga Ninong and Ninang. And now to continue with our secondary sponsors, likewise with our wedding entourage.
Sponsor ko maaari po ay magsi-ready na po tayo sa ating entrance.
Dito sa left side and the right side should be the team bride. Nasa na po yung mga girls po natin. So, we invite po yung mga secondary sponsors and the members of wedding entourage. Dito na po tayo pumila. In a few minutes, we're about to begin with your grand entrance. Okay, dito na ho yung mga babae. Dito na ho tayo.
You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh, oh. 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 Way oh, You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way oh, oh. 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 Way oh, Boy, take a chance.
And please use the hashtag wedding celebration of Mr. and Mrs. Tiberas when posting on YouTube and social media.